In this video, we'll demonstrate how to send voice messages on WhatsApp. But before we dive into the main content, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn how to send voice messages on WhatsApp. Please feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below, as your feedback greatly helps us create better content for you. Now, let's get started with this tutorial. Sending voice messages on WhatsApp is a convenient way to communicate, and I'll guide you through the process. Here's how you can easily send voice messages. Open your WhatsApp app and enter any conversation. To record a voice message, you'll see a microphone icon. Press and hold this icon to start recording your message. Release your finger when you've finished recording, and the message will be sent automatically to the conversation. Alternatively, you can tap the microphone icon once. It will show a message saying, "Hold to record, release to send." Hold down the icon to start recording your voice message. You can also swipe up to lock the recording, allowing you to stop holding down the icon while you record. When you're done, tap the send button to send the voice message. That's all there is to it. You've successfully sent a voice message in WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications on. Your likes and comments inspire us to create more content like this, and subscribing ensures you won't miss our future tutorials. For more tutorials and valuable content like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and stay connected. And remember, you can find more tutorials at our website, MediaMagnetGuide.com.